DIY picture frame, a personalized touch for your home. Introduction. Welcome to our tutorial on how to make a DIY picture frame. In this video, we will show you how to create a unique and stylish picture frame that will add a personalized touch to your home. This project is inexpensive and easy to make, and it will take you approximately 30 minutes, depending on the model you choose. Materials. For this project, you'll need a picture frame, choose your preferred model, measuring tape, pencil, paint or stain of your choice, paintbrush or roller, fabric or paper of your choice, scissors, glue or double-sided tape, small decorative items, optional. Instructions. Step 1. Choose your preferred model of picture frame. The instructions will vary slightly depending on the model. Step 2. If desired, apply paint or stain to the frame using a paintbrush or roller. Allow the paint or stain to dry according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 3. Measure the size of the frame's opening and cut the fabric or paper to size using scissors. Step 4. Apply glue or double-sided tape to the back of the fabric or paper and place it in the frame's opening, making sure that it is centered. Step 5. If desired, add small decorative items to the frame such as beads, buttons, or ribbon. Step 6. Insert your favorite picture into the frame and step back to admire your new DIY picture frame. Conclusion. And that's it. You've just created a stylish and unique picture frame that adds a personalized touch to your home. This DIY project is easy to make and inexpensive, and you can choose the model of picture frame you like. You can also use this idea to make a frame for a mirror, painting, or any other object. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and we can't wait to see your finished product. Remember to post your pictures in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY projects like this one. Thanks for watching.